Hey guys, join me for the dinner at the castle tonight. This is actually the courtyard of the castle. So what happened here is all the people in the court would hang out. It's just gorgeous. It also involves a garden. You've got a beautiful view of the rolling hills of Vito. The restaurant is just gorgeous. Here's our setting. Here's our table. We get to look out. And all the table settings are just fantastic, aren't they? A little bottle of olive oil, some greenery. We're going to hit a bottle of Prosecco, chilled, perfect temperature, bread, olive oil. We got the Prosecco overlooking a view, and now we're getting into some appetizers. We got octopus. Look at that presentation. Basil, caramelized onions, and burrata from Puglia. And then we've got some meatballs. The sauce is absolutely phenomenal to die for. Let's open up that burrata. This is Puglian burrata. This is right from Vito. And look at that. Oh, the cream right inside the mozzarella cheese is fantastic. And I'm going to mix that with the caramelized onion and the octopus. And yeah, it just came out fantastic, delicious. Now we got our entree raviolis with burrata, and then a puree of the orange tomatoes with arugula. This was fantastic, just seasoned perfect. You just get to flavor the flavor of all the cheeses with that tomato and that bitter citrus pepper from the arugula. And now, tough to see underneath those herbs, but this is a steak, and it is just so tender. Everything's organic. It's in balsamic. And now for dessert, we're going to have some figs. These are fresh figs picked right from their farm. And I don't know about you guys, but I just love figs. I love fig Emilia, which is the sauce. And now we're going to go home. Oh, wait, no, we're not. We're going to cruise through the village, and it's Festa. So they've got a big festival this evening, and it's just a riot to go through. We're going to stop here at Capriccio. We're going to have ourselves a glass of Prosecco and just take a look at all the beautiful lights. The evening temperature is just perfect, guys. We're so blessed. And what a beautiful dinner, beautiful night in Vico del Gargano, spent with some wonderful friends.